You want me to help you pour?
No.
You can put some here too, okay? Hey. What are you feeding? Are you feeding the birds? Is that for your birds? Good.
That's for my baby birds.
That's for your baby bird?
Uh-huh.
You need some help?
Uh-huh.
We have sunflower seed. What else? We have corn. We have all kinds of seeds. You need some help?
No.
Okay. That's a rotten crab apple.
No! I want a popsicle.
Go get the popsicle. Go.
Ask Auntie Marlene. The birdhouse. Birdhouse is the thing. It's like this look like candy.
Yeah, that's like a candy for the birds.
It's like a treat.
Yeah, this is a treat. This is their food. And we put some water here on the bird bath. Wow! Look at that. Pretty, pretty. Oh no! What happened? Oh no! What happened here?
My shoe knocked it down.
Oh no! What happened?
That's okay, we can do it.
What happened there, Tiffany? Oh. Come here. What are you having? A bird a bird popsicle?
No, I'm gonna. No!
No, he can help. He can help.
I can faster.
No, do the other one. Do the other one, Isiko.
For the houses?
Yes, we can do this. You take this one, Tiffany. Pour it like this.
Yeah.
There. And put some more here.
Like in your pocket.
Oh! Don't do that. Ah, it's food. You want some bird seed there?
Careful, careful.
Be very careful. Be very careful.
Tomorrow we can go to beach though.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Next time.
Okay.
No. What's that? It's a corn. Corn for the birds. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, there's a tiny human hanging there.
That's a grumpy. That's a grandpa's Nerf cat.
Oh.
Look at a seed.
And we have a
seed.
Oh, a seed for the bird.
A seed.
Ah, a seed.
I'm gonna get only the seeds.
Where are the birds? Come out, come out. Where are you?
Auntie Rose, what does this look like?
It's a corn.
It's like Halloween candy.
Oh, Halloween candy. It's a corn. Bird, come out, wherever you are.
We have food. We have food.
We have food.
We have food for you.
We have food for you. Woohoo! We have a lot. Woohoo! Woohoo!
We have lots. We have lots, birds. Come out.
Come out.
I think they're not coming.
They will when we go inside because they're scared. What's that? So what's in here?
Jalapeno.
No, a corn.
A corn.
Sunflower seed.
Can I put?
No, that on this bigger one.
Okay.
Oh, watch out, your popsicles. Watch out, watch out. Yay! Good job.
There's so much in there.
Oh, put more. Put
Put
more
more
here.
outside here.
Put more.
Put more outside. What's your favorite thing to eat? This one?
Everything.
Oh,
Love
everything?
everything. Yeah. That's good. Put some more chicken. Here, you help me. 1, 2, 3. Yay! The other side. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thank you, guys. That's good. That's good. We're gonna hang this one. Okay. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep. Yay! That's nice. Look at that. Cover, cover. Give it to me. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Yay! See? That's so pretty.
Wow!
Awesome. And look at this, Tiffany. What's that?
A bird shower.
A bird bath.
It has?
Yeah, you can touch.
Can I touch?
Oh, the birds will taste your hand.
I
And
don't.
say, yum, 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 yum. This tastes like Tiffany's hand. And yum, 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 yum. This tastes like Isabel's finger. And yum, 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 yum. This is Tiffany's finger. Yay!
Can you lick my finger? And tomorrow, did you remember I get pee-pee in the doorknob?
Oh no.
But-
That's sad.
Now it's gone.
Oh, that's good. Are you having fun there? Wow. What did you find?
A treasure.
A treasure.
Treasure.
Whoa.
I found this.
Treasure. Okay, leave it alone. You're wet, Tiffany. Leave it alone.
I have shorts.
No. No, 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 no.
Look at this.
Tiffany, that's dirty.
Watch this. I have shorts so I don't get wet.
Mm-hmm.
My pants.
Come here so we'll fold your sleeves. Oh no, you want the birds to taste your popsicles?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Birds.
Bird, come here.
I'm gonna drop my popsicle.
Oh no, no, no. The ants will taste it. Yum, 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 yum.